everyone, it's Amy. Today I have in a package from Born Pretty. So Born Pretty sent me over this gel polish kit. It's got 6 colors in it. This one is the Nude collection. I will have links to this down below in the description box. But here's what the polishes look like. They're super cute. I haven't had any Born Pretty colors in a long time. When I first started out with, I had some, but these are all updated packaging and everything. I'm excited to try them out. We have the instructions. Okay, so here are all of them. Here's what the bottle looks like. You can kind of see like a sneak peek of what the color is gonna look like, and then on the top they have a dot as well. These ones don't have names, but they are numbered. They have a bunch of different collections. They have neons, pastels, like a pinky collection. I got the nude collection. You guys know that I love having different shades of browns and nudes. It's really good for your collections. So let's go ahead and get in. I'm gonna swatch these for you guys. So I'm gonna start with the lightest one. This is Born Pretty CL number 1. So here is what number 1 looks like. It's almost a 1 coater. There is a little bit of patches in there, so I will do a second coat, but I generally do second coats on all of my colors anyways. But this one is a nice light tan shade. Here is number 2 from the collection. So here's what number 2 looks like. This one's kind of like a latte color. Like it's got a little bit more depth to it than that first one, but it's still nice and light, like a nice iced latte color. Here is number 3. Here is what number 3 looks like in the collection. This one's like a caramel type of color, really pretty. I like this one. Number 4. Here's what number 4 looks like. This one's more like it's reminding me of like a hazelnut chocolate type of a color. Number 5. Here's what number 5 looks like. This one is like a rich espresso shade. We have that lighter iced latte. This one's more of like a rich espresso color. Finally, number 6. Here's what number 6 looks like. It's a nice dark chocolate shade. So I'm going to go ahead and cure all of these, give them a second coat and top coat, and we'll come back to look at the range of colors. Okay, so here are our ranges of colors. I did 2 coats on all of them and then did a matte and a shiny top coat. So I feel like this, for only being 6 polishes, it does have a really good range of colors for a nude collection. Of course, there's so many shades of nude out there that this doesn't even compete, but this is a good starting kit because you have that range from light, medium to dark. You have that reddish one in there. You have a couple different tones. It's a really nice starter nude set for polishes, especially if you're just doing your nails at home. This is really all you're gonna need anyways. So I do want to show you a quick tutorial on how you can use some of these colors in a design. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, here is the design that I came up with. Just a simple dual animal print nail. So we did half zebra print, half leopard print. Both designs are easy. You can use them separately, you can use them combined. And I did a matte top coat on it. This was using 3 of the colors. I'd used number 1, number 4, and number 6 for the different shades. I really love the leopard print. Leopard print nails are always a good go-to. I like adding, if you have a gold, add a little gold accent to some of the animal print. Really makes it stand out, but if you just have regular nude shades, this will do it. Okay, so here again are all of the colors in this nude collection. Here is a little design that I came up with. Again, I think this is a very nice range of shades for a nude collection. They applied really easily, easy to work with. I didn't have any issues with them. And these colors are very affordable. So for all you at home DIYers, I would definitely take a look into the Born Pretty colors. Again, this is my first time trying out their new updated. I don't know when they updated, but years ago I started out with a couple Born Pretty colors, and it's definitely come a long ways. So thank you again to Born Pretty for sending me out this wonderful kit. I'm always so excited to have neutrals in my collection. I will leave a link in the description box to this kit. It's on Amazon, so it's gonna ship really easily and it's affordable. Check out their other kits that they have as well. But make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my swatching videos. Make sure you're subscribed for more tutorials coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.